guys, welcome back, or more likely to my channel. Today we are going to be doing our Ipsy for the month of May, and oh my gosh, it is still May. Something wonderful has happened, and I am not 4 months behind, nor am I 1 month behind. I am the correct amount of behind. This is the Ipsy for the month of May, and it's kind of a cool bag. I don't know, it's like sunset-y-ish vibes. It's got like pink and then yellowish orange at the bottom. It's alright, I guess. The thing that I got in the bag, I always get brushes because I always rate them quite highly and I always ask for them. But this is a brush, and I definitely have this cane before. What is this one from? Okay, maybe I don't have this brand. I definitely have one with these like two little rhinestones before I've got. It's actually really cute. I like the handle, I like the little gems. It's a brush. I mean, you can't really go wrong with it. So let's dig into the bag and see what we got for this month. We of course got the card. The first thing in the bag, Fierce Flicks from Ciate, London. I'm assuming this is an eyeliner. I know we can get like a lot of black eyeliners in subscription boxes, but I personally like getting them because it lets me try a lot of different kinds because I'm not very good with eyeliner. So as many options as I can get, that's even better. The next thing in the container was actually opened, and this is, I'm noticing a trend in Ipsy where things are just opening in my bags, which is strange. Like last time a primer opened, and the time before that it was actually another like lip product that had opened. This is from New Body Pina Colada Sugar Lip Polish, and it smells quite nice. It smells like pina coladas. It smells like I want to eat it or drink it. I really like that. I'm not like a huge fan of coconut, so because it kind of breaks me out, so I'm a little worried about actually using it, but it does smell really good. The next thing in the bag is from it's from Tony Moly. It's an I'm Honey Deep Moisture Rescue Mask, which sounds fun, I suppose. I do like honey. It smells good. Okay, so it's just a mask. Let's see what it smells like. It kind of looks and smells like honey, which is a little frightening to put on my face. The last thing in the bag is this, and this is the thing I chose for the month. It's from Tarte. It's an H2O gloss, and I just wanted to try it. Like, I've never tried it before, anything like from Tarte, other than like the stuff that I've gotten in the Ipsy bags. It smells really good, and I'm excited to try it. So that is everything I got in my Ipsy. Overall, I am pretty pleased with everything that I got in the bag. I'm kind of most happy about these three items. These two are just okay. I'm kind of concerned because this one looks really, really sticky, but I'm pretty happy to give these a try. So I'm overall pleased because it's not a very expensive bag. If you like these kinds of videos, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, check out all my other social media links down below, and hope to see you guys next time. Bye!